friends, it's Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library, and I have a craft idea for you today. It's fall time, and when we go driving and go to the grocery store or go to a market, we are seeing pumpkins, pumpkins, pumpkins. So I thought it was time to make some pumpkin pie, and I thought, how can we do that? So I went to my cupboard and I found, ta-da, I found a paper plate. So you might have a paper plate that you could use. You could maybe make a whole pumpkin pie. I just made a slice, but if you wanted to use your whole paper plate, you could make a whole pie. So you just need a paper plate and you need some orange construction paper, or if you have tissue paper, orange tissue paper would be great, and some brown construction paper, and some glue, and your scissors. And I've just dropped something here on the floor that I need, but I will tell you that you need a couple of cotton balls, or a few if you're making a whole pie. I just made a slice, so here I will show you my slice. I cut that right out of my plate. So as you can see, if I put my plate back together, there's my plate, and I've cut out a slice. So I just am going to make one slice of pumpkin pie. So cut out your slice, or use the whole plate and make an entire pumpkin pie. So the thing you will need to do is to cut up some of your brown paper and just make it into small little pieces, because that's going to be your crust. So you're going to be putting your crust all around the outside of your slice or of your entire pie, and then cut up or rip up some tissue paper or orange construction paper, and that is the pumpkin part of your pie. So I've glued on my crust. I did that first. So that would go on the outer edge. So the brownish part is your crust, and then glue some of your pieces of orange construction paper or orange tissue paper, and then put your cotton balls on top, and that's your whipped cream that you might like to have on your pumpkin pie. The other thing I thought of is if you have some pumpkin pie spice in your cupboard, in your kitchen, you could sprinkle some of that on. So not only would it look like a piece of pumpkin pie, it would smell like a piece of pumpkin pie, and it might get your tummy rumbling if you like pumpkin pie. So I hope that you will find a paper plate so that you can use that for your base, and then some brown construction paper, orange construction paper or orange tissue paper, a couple of cotton balls for your whipped cream, yummy, yummy, some glue, and perchance you have some pumpkin pie spice, or you could sprinkle some cinnamon or ginger or nutmeg. That's all part of what goes into a pumpkin pie. So have fun, and I hope that you might even get a bite of a real pumpkin pie sometime soon. I'm hoping that for me, so I hope that for you as well. Have a great day, and I will see you again soon.